Hi everyone, it's Beth and I'm here to show you a few things related to the assignment Dropbox. Just to remind you what you did on Monday the 13th, you used the assignment page in D2L to submit a file. This tool used to be called Dropbox in the previous version of D2L, so just wanted to remind you that, you might even use that language with students if they've used D2L before. Call it the assignment Dropbox because it's how it works. You drop a file into this location and it's stored there and it's available there for you to download or to print and grade or to grade on your computer and provide evaluation comments to your students. So just to remind you, in your own D2L course, you can view things as the student. So that's what I'm going to activate very quickly and just show you how you can find your feedback on your syllabus. So, I'm logged in now as a student, and if I go to assignments at this point, I will click here to, well, actually, I don't want to click there. Click here to view feedback, and you'll see the specific feedback I gave you on your syllabus. And then a few of you asked me in the last day or two, how do I access again the file that I uploaded to the Dropbox? This is where you will do that. You can click on the number 1 that indicates you uploaded a file or made a submission. And then when you get to the submission history, the file that you uploaded is here and you can download that. So a lot of instructors on campus use this assignment Dropbox to get students to turn in a revised assignment, or might even be a good tool to use if you're having students work on the process of an assignment and you want to see an early draft of something. So lots of ways you can get students to use this tool inside D2L during the fall semester if you're interested in doing that. And I think that's all I need to talk to you about tonight. So have a great evening, and I will talk to you very soon.